Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're delving into a crucial measurement conversion, converting inches to centimeters. This conversion is essential for those used to the imperial system but needing to work with or understand the metric system, which is common across the globe. Let's understand the basics. An inch, abbreviated as in, is a unit of length in the imperial and United States customary systems. A centimeter, represented as cm, is a unit of length in the metric system. The conversion from inches to centimeters is straightforward and precise. The key factor to remember is 1 inch equals exactly 2.54 centimeters. To convert inches to centimeters, you multiply the number of inches by 2.54. For example, to convert a length of 10 inches into centimeters, multiply 10 by 2.54. This calculation results in 25.4 centimeters. Consider a practical example. If you're looking to purchase a new monitor and the screen size is listed as 32 inches, to understand this size in centimeters, simply multiply 32 by 2.54. This gives you 81.28 centimeters. And there you have it. Converting inches to centimeters is simple when you know that 1 inch equals exactly 2.54 centimeters. With a little practice, you'll be able to swiftly and accurately convert these measurements, making it easier to navigate between the imperial and metric systems. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. For more useful conversion guides and math tips, don't forget to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.